everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to make an infused water with lemon and mint leaves. So I will soak it for about just overnight. So I'll add it. As you can see in my background, I'm gonna make a mung bean sprout, and I put it in a Coke container. I'm making a video as well from day 1 until it's ready for harvest. So a lot of it, 1 lemon. All this. Just add water. And we have our lemon and mint infused water. I'll put it in the fridge. Somewhere here. The tomatoes. Okay. And I will drink that tomorrow. Bye for now.